Hello, this is Steve from StormySky Rail Productions. I finally got to meet Jeff Toft here in Silvis, Illinois. We're spending a very nice, warm February day out. Highs expected in the low 60s, so it's been a great time. So we just caught a heritage unit on both ends, both Iowa Interstate heritage units, so that's pretty good. And then we're waiting on a couple other trains and going to spend the day out. And be sure to check out Jeff's channel at
Jeff Toft Rail Videos.
He's got some great videos, current and flashback to great times being trackside.
Yeah, I did a lot of VHS back in the 90s. I did the BN in Galesburg, BN around here, Sioux Line around here in the 90s, and some Cincinnati stuff since I'm from Cincinnati area. I did a bunch of VHS back in the 90s there too.
So yeah, it was great. Thanks for meeting up with me today for a little bit, and finally got to meet instead of YouTube and on videos. Yeah. So we're looking to catch some more good stuff and go around and make sure you check out his channel, subscribe, hit that thumbs up and notification bell. Also, if you haven't subscribed to StormySky Rail Productions, please do hit that thumbs up and that notification bell. Thanks again, Jeff, and this is Steve from StormySky Rail Productions out.